Helene Shepherd, the Bubble House, Planet Earth, Karalee. Welcome. Come and discover the creation of Mr Birchall. It is a one-of around our beautiful globe. Come and discover our 11 domes, 1,050 square metres of floor space. We are special. Welcome.
Hello, my name's Mr Birchall and I'm the inventor and builder of this bubble house. I do honestly believe that you can build anything. So there's 1,050 square metres in this house, which is about 4 or 5 houses. Now that's a 5 metre high ceiling out there. Like, people come up and say it looks big from the outside. When they come in, they're just blown away. We've got 5 4-metre diameter domes. Then you go up to a 5 metre, which is the kitchen. The big ones, they're 8 metres diameter. It gives us upstairs, downstairs.
Our bubble house demands a buyer who understands function and form and the uniqueness of this creation. I welcome your call for your personal inspection to discover all of this for you to live your very best life. Welcome.